Here I have Xiaomi Mi 6 and let me show you how to use the battery saver mode on the following device. So first of all, let's start by using a home screen. Let me choose the settings. Then let's scroll down and under system and device, let's choose the battery and performance. Let me choose the power, the first option, and as you can see, here you can turn on the battery saver. So let me do it by tapping the battery saver, and the battery saver monitor background process and turn off synchronization. Battery saver will turn off automatically when the battery is between 16 or the 100 charge. Let me switch it on right here. The battery saver is now switched on. You can also switch on the battery saver by using a scheduled time, for example between the 11 p.m. until the 7 a.m. Let me just quit the battery saver by using the same switcher, and you can go back and start use your device in a normal mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.